guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I'm participating in a really fun collab with my fellow Fluid Art Experience teachers. And for those who don't know, Fluid Art Experience is happening next month in Dallas, Texas. It's going to be amazing. Get registered, buy your tickets. I'm putting all the info down below, as well as all the information for the collaboration, so you can check out the other artists' videos. Now, the pieces that we're making in this collaboration will be given away at the Fluid Art Experience, at the gala dinner specifically, and you have to be in attendance to win. So check out the details below in the description, get your tickets, and let's have some fun. So for this piece, I have decided to do a monochromatic pour with purples. And I'm going to start off by painting my edges with just regular acrylic paint. And essentially, I want to do a dark to light progression. This is just Artist Loft. This color is light violet, and then we have violet. I'm gonna paint the edge of the canvas here, plus all the sides. This is a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped, so it's got the deep edges. And I'm using a foam brush for this because I found it to be the fastest. You can use a regular paintbrush if you'd like. All right, I think that's pretty good for coverage. We're gonna let this dry for a bit and I'll be back. All of the paints I'm using are Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. These are pre-mixed, ready to go right out of the bottle. I'm going to go pretty heavy on this side with the white. I have a pretty specific picture in my head. I'm gonna use some over here as well, just not quite as much. And then I'm adding in shades of purple. I'm going to start off with Royal Purple, which is a really dark purple. So I'm going pretty heavy on it over here. And then I'm going to add just a smidge over here. Next, I've got some metallic amethyst, which is a lighter purple and also kind of a crazy cell creator. I'm going heavier over here on the left side, but I am also going to add just a smidge over here in a couple spots. Next, I'm using this one called Wisteria Shimmer. It's actually a temporary color that we had in the mystery boxes. So some of you may have that one. And lastly, I'm going to use just a smidge of electric purple. This is a pretty pink purple, so I'm not going too heavy on it. I'm going to put a couple pops of it in here. And then on this side, I'm going to add some black. I added a lot of white on this side. I'm going to add in some black over here. Okay, I think that should be plenty of paint, especially since we have that painted background. So I'm gonna get in here now with my hair dryer, and I'm going on high air, no heat at all. This Remington hair dryer has different settings, so you don't actually have to press a button for cold air. It has a setting that's just no heat. So highly recommended. It's like 20 bucks on Amazon. Greatest purchase. Okay, here we go. All right, I think I am in love. So I had a few spots over here where the white was just a little too powerful, and then a few spots where the black took over, so I kind of blended those in. We've got amazing cells popping up from that amethyst. So I'm gonna touch up my edges a little bit, and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. We've got gorgeous cells and lacing on this. I love it so, so much. No silicone, guys. So one of the things I'll be teaching next month in Dallas at the Fluid Art Experience is trying new color combinations and kind of getting out of your comfort zone. And monochromatic can sometimes be difficult, especially if you really like contrast like I do. But I think adding in things like white and black can really help, or just different shades of the same color, of course. So please check that out. Make sure you get signed up and get entered to win this in the raffle at the gala dinner. And I can't wait to see you all there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out the other artists that will be linked down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this. I love painting, I love teaching, and I really cannot wait to see a whole bunch of you next month at Fluid Art Experience. See you all later.